Hey, what's up? It's Josh with the Get Business Credit YouTube channel. In today's video, we're going to be going over Hatch Business Checking Account. Okay, so before I get into that, I just have to say this video is sponsored by Hatch Business Checking. Okay, I want to point that out because they are a paid sponsor of mine, but I was able to get you guys, if you guys are looking for a business checking account, I was able to get you guys a discount off of the checking account fee. So if you just go to hatchcard.com, like I've made a couple videos in the past, you'll see that there is a $10 a month fee, no minimum deposit. So let's just open the screen a little bit bigger so you guys can see there. So yeah, you guys can see here, it's good for side hustles or if you're just looking for a business checking account, definitely check them out. They have a lot of things that's going to be coming here soon. I can't say too much, but definitely it's worthwhile to get a business checking account set up with them. Even if you already have one with another company or another financial institution, you might want to get them as a backup or secondary or even main, because they are a fintech small business checking account, and they offer I can't say too much, but before they had business credit card. I made a video about that. I was able to get that, but they stopped doing that. But they're working out something now that I really can't tell you guys much about. But let's get back to the main point. So that's the main thing when you go to hatchcard.com. If you get started with their business checking account, then you're going to have to pay the $10 a month. And that's not bad, because most financial institutions and banks are going to charge you a fee anyways. So if you see here, we're a partner. Like I said, they sponsored this video. Again, I don't get paid anything for you guys signing up. They pay for just sponsoring this video. I just want to put that out there so it's crystal clear. But anyways, you can see here, use the link in the description below to be able to get this offer. Get business credit followers get 1 year free. So that's $120 that you would save normally. Okay. Get the business checking account designed for small businesses with no NSF fees, up to 5% cashback rewards and discounts. Get all this and more for $10 a month with no minimum deposit. Get business credit followers get 1 year free. Hatch Business Checking. Okay. And it's quick sign up, quick setup. They don't ask for, very much. Some of these other financial institutions, they ask for so much. So this one, it's very easy. Let's just get down to real quick. It's safe and secure. It's also insured, just as FDIC, insured through a lending club bank, member FDIC. It's basically kind of underwritten, I guess, through like Radius, I guess, got bought by Lending Club. So it's somebody you can trust. I've talked about Radius before, so this is one you can definitely trust. Quick, easy application. It only takes a few minutes to apply. Transparent pricing. No more worrying about NSF fees, monthly minimums. So there's no monthly minimums. There's no card replacement fees, or the other fees that you would actually expect from a traditional bank. You get automatic rewards, earn cash back automatically on your debit card purchases, get up to 5% cash back on restaurant, car rentals, and more. So it's a tier system depending on which one that you actually are using, whether it be a rental car, restaurant. You're going to get different, cash back percentage based on that. And you have to keep in mind that's pretty rare. Normal banks don't give you that. Credit cards, yes, but not, checking accounts don't. So you can see here, like I said, it says here, join community of small business owners and get seamless online banking experience that gives you, cash back for $10 a month. Keep in mind, like I said, it's not $10 a month. And this won't last long because they're probably going to pull this offer probably in the next month or two. So you definitely want to sign up now to be able to get the 1 year free. It says like right here, sign up with this exclusive offer and get 1 year free of Hatch Business Checking. Try to find that with others, especially on YouTube. You'll see that some of them will say 3 months or 1 month. I was able to negotiate for you guys and get 1 year free. And I'll let you guys kind of check it out if you are interested. But you can see here that it's, you get the unlimited free ATM withdrawals within the global network of over 55,000 ATMs, exclusive MasterCard enhanced debit benefits. You get car rental insurance that's included if you use the card when you get the car rental, and they have MasterCard Airport Country Air and Global Emergency Services. If you just compare it here, there's no fees. I'll let you guys see that. You guys can just look at that yourself. The main thing here is you don't have to pay a monthly fee using my link. Again, this is a sponsored video by Hatch. I have a Hatch card, line of credit, and a business checking account with them. And then they approached me because I have a YouTube channel. Anyways, like I said, you can go to their main site and see they're going to charge you the $10 a month. So with mine, you can see right on their website, hatchcard.com/partners/get business credit. And you'll get the 1 year free. So again, I'm not going to say too much about what's coming for them in the next 6 months, but they have another product coming in the next 6 months or so that you may not want to miss out on. So I would suggest you to sign up. Okay, that's all for this video. Please hit the subscribe button if you haven't already done so. Smash the thumbs up. Make sure that all notifications are on. I got so many more videos coming this month, especially a lot of new fintech companies that nobody's even talking about. They're all brand new. So yeah, till next time, you guys take care. Thanks again for watching. Bye-bye.